Welcome to the learning graveyard. What's cooking wording ain't so hard. In every dark corner there won't be a quarter, but you'll find a friend named Jack-O-Learn. Jack-O-Learn, oh so weird. Halloween is not so feared. Explore horror themes with Jack-O-Learn, and all your fears will overturn. So come on, little witches and monsters.
Hello, little witches and monsters. I am Jack-O-Learn.
I am Myst, the mad scientist.
In today's episode, Myst, the mad scientist, is going to show us a magical trick powered by science.
Yep, that's right. National Geographic Mega Science Series for our experiments.
Science magic kit? Cool.
Yep, and today's lesson is... Bend water. To view our What to Get list, check the description below. Adult supervision required. I will be using Jack's hair for this experiment. Wow! Yay! Okay, Jack, what's the science behind the experiment?
The science behind the experiment.
Whoa!
Water molecules have one end that is positively charged and one end that is negatively charged. The balloon becomes negatively charged when you rub it on your head. As you bring it towards the water, the positively charged sides of the water molecules move toward the balloon, while gravity keeps the water moving downward, causing the stream of water to bend.
Huh?
Wow, that was exciting.
Sure was. I hope you enjoyed the episode. We will see you again soon.
Have a haunted day.
Bye.
Bye.
Jack-O-Learn, oh so weird. Halloween is not so fear. Explore horror themes.
Oh, and you can follow my YouTube channel too. Link is in the description below.